Hey everyone, it's Ken and Andrea here from Northern Viking Explorer. We are here at El Cid in Cozumel, Mexico. We want to show you what this resort is like, so join us as we enjoy El Cid. And the pier we're docked at today is Puerto Maya. This is where Carnival ships usually dock. We're gonna head past the fountain and out the front gate and hang a left. And I can see El Cid right up there, so we're pretty close. We'll keep going past the Royal Village over here, some shopping, the casino, and continue along the sidewalk. Here we are, El Cid La Ceiba. That only took about 7 or 8 minutes. It was quick to get here.
Nice easy walk.
Yeah. So we booked our resort El Cid through Resort for a Day. It's super simple to do. You select your ship and your sailing date, and it shows you all the resorts that are available for your sailing. You can book it right online and then print off your paperwork and bring it to the resort with you. Really simple. If you are interested in that, it is linked below in the description. We just checked in and we're all set.
I'm really excited to check out this property. Right away, I see a beautiful pool with an amazing ocean view and great easy access on the stairs here. Also, they have a nice shallow splash area, which is great if you're traveling with small children. There's lots of loungers here around the pool and a beautiful patio with an amazing view.
The beach area. Comfy loungers, covered areas, grass huts, and the beach for snorkeling. We did bring our own snorkeling gear, so we're gonna head out there. The water looks beautiful. So you can see we're really quite close to our ship. This is beautiful.
It's really nice.
Yeah. All the loungers over here. The restaurant's over here with the jacuzzi. There's a jacuzzi bar. There's the El Cid Tower that we could see from the ship up there. Head down this way and have a look. Ping pong, jumbo chess, volleyball court, and again all the loungers here. Go check out the other side. So again, the restaurant, and we can head off this way. You can buy some spa services here and walk-in beach access. So it's just to use caution today. More loungers and hammocks in the water. Wow, this is beautiful. The water looks lovely today. It's nice and calm.
Really calm. It's
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
I'm excited to go snorkeling.
Me too.
Let's check out the restaurant.
With our resort day pass, our beverages and food was included. So here in the restaurant, they currently have breakfast going. They had lots of great stuff here, different pastries, deli meats, cheeses, and I'm really excited for this. All the chopped fruit, watermelon and pineapple, fresh juices, yogurt, peaches. That looks so good. They had an egg and omelet station. They make it right here in front of you. And some traditional Mexican style dishes.
We shouldn't have had breakfast on the ship.
No, this looks amazing. It runs from 7 in the morning until 11, breakfast.
And then lunch starts.
Yeah, and they have really nice dark, strong coffee, which I'm excited about.
We grabbed some danishes and fruit, which is really beautiful and colorful, but there was so much more here. We got our spots for the day.
Yeah, we got one of the, is it a palapa? An umbrella?
An umbrella, that's nice. We're just soaking up the rays. Actually, we're soaking up the shade at the moment.
Yeah.
Pretty quiet so far this morning.
Very quiet. Our pina coladas come.
Our first bevies of the day. Ooh, that looks nice. It's good. I was just talking to the lifeguards, so they have complimentary snorkel sets and fins that you can use for up to an hour.
Nice.
So right here, we brought our own, so we're gonna use those. But if you forgot them, you're good to go.
They give you really nice big beach towels here to use for the day.
Head to the pool.
Yeah.
Let's go enjoy the pool. How's the water?
Very warm.
Yes,
actually
it's nice
very
and warm.
surprising.
The swim up bar hot tub.
Hot tub, yeah.
You can order right from the hot tub here. With great views. Time for some snorkeling. We're gonna go in here on the beach. Seems a little easier. Ready?
I'm ready.
All right. That one fish wants to like almost touch the camera. Like it circles me. They're circling you out there.
Yeah, yeah.
I think they think we have enchiladas in our pockets or something.
Yeah, it's funny. I'm not used to floating like so much. Like the water's so buoyant out here. I struggled to get down.
You don't need to do anything to float out here. It's just
No, you just relax and you float.
yeah. And it's nice and calm, so
Yeah. I mean, there is obviously a little bit of pull, like,
yeah.
but I'm finding it easy to swim out here.
Yeah. So with our day pass, the drinks and food items are included. So there's quite a bit on here. Nachos, burgers, desserts, different drinks. Our lunch is here.
Yeah, these nachos are huge.
The beef nachos. Look at all that guacamole,
The beef,
salsa, and
putting
some
beans on it.
chicken wings. The lime and pepper, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Looks delicious.
Okay, this is like amazing. It's warm.
You found your new favorite spot?
Yeah.
The hammock in the water? This is the life. Hammocks in the water. Enjoying the waterfall? Some more food, and we went snorkeling again.
More beverages.
Yeah.
You can see it's a pretty quiet day here at El Cid. Not a lot of people. It's been very relaxing.
Looks like Disney pulled in down there and is docked way down on the end. So I think we're done here at El Cid. What a great day. The weather was perfect. The snorkeling was great.
The food was so tasty and the portions were big. I really enjoyed it. Our server took great care of us. It was just a really relaxing day here.
Yeah, I like the fajitas. They were good.
Oh, that was so good.
So we're gonna head out, and yeah, what a great time here at El Cid.